Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Gaillardia is a great ground cover plant. It's also known as blanket flower because it does have this really amazing carpeting habit which will really fill out your beds, hopefully keep out the weeds. Lovely big daisy flowers. Usually comes in the reds, yellows, oranges. So it is a plant. You could, if you were very keen, deadhead. That means taking out the old flowers when they've finished. Whenever you're doing deadheading, you're always tracing back to something. So if we go down on this one that's finished, we can see there we've got a join where it's going to another shoot, and we can see there are some buds here, so we would just snip above. But it is a plant, it has so many flowers, you'll be doing this for ages. So really the better way to do it is to wait until you've decided that the balance has been tipped, that there's more old flowers than there are nice new bits. And it's a plant that dies right down in the winter time, so we can take our lead from that. We know that we are perfectly safe to do the same. That we can cut it all the way back and it will grow from the base again. Now with these ones, it is a bit of a leap of faith. We kind of see that bit there, it has got a little bit of regrowth, but really it is a case you're going to take it all the way down and it will soon regrow. And fingers crossed it should reflower at the same summertime as well.